should multiply this by root 1 plus h plus 1 over the same thing, root 1 plus h plus 1. All right, so then our limit we'll be able to evaluate once we make this algebraic simplification, just like before. So we'll have 2 root 1 plus h times root 1 plus h is, of course, 1 plus h. Plus h minus 1 times positive 1 is negative 1 there. Have that expression all over h times the conjugate. But now our factor of h is going to cancel as usual. So 1 minus 1 is, of course, 0. Now you just have a factor of h. So this is all just h, really. So h have gone. As we plug in 0, we use the substitution rule now. 0 heading, h heading towards 0. From the left or from the right, doesn't really matter in this case at the end here. So h approaches 0. So that piece heading towards 0. We'll have 2 over the root of 1 plus 1 is, of course, 2 back again. So we get 2 over 2, just like last time, equals 1. There is the slope of the red again from the picture we had previously. Now if we check on the limit as h approaches 0 from the right of f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 all over h. So now, because h is heading towards 0 from the right, as I explained before, that means that x is heading towards 1 from the right, so therefore we're now on the other part of the curve, we're on the 3x minus 1. So replacing the function symbol here, f, with 3x minus 1, limit as h approaches 0 from the right of 3 times 1 plus h minus 1. I'm just plugging in 1 plus h in for x, and then minus f of 1, we said was 2. And so finishing it off here, we'll have 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. We just have 3h sitting in the numerator. So h's will, of course, cancel again, which is our algebraic goal for these difference quotients. That's a little too cross-like there for my taste. Let's just make that there. And we have 3. So that's the slope of the blue again. So since we see that the two one-sided limits are not the same, no matter what form you happen to use to evaluate the right-hand approach of the slopes is not equal to the left-hand approach of the slopes so overall, therefore, f prime 1 does not exist.